Good day, I'm Dr. Ting. In this short video clip, we are going to run factor analysis. Factor analysis is used to group related questions in your questionnaire. Say for example, if I want to measure IQ and I have a series of questions from question 1 all the way to question 9. If I want to measure numeric IQ, I will have question 1, question 2, question 3. If I want to measure special IQ, I will have question 4, 5, 6, and so on. And if I run the factor analysis, they are going to group the related question as shown in this table. So question 1, 2, 3 will be related in one group to actually measure the numeric IQ, and question 4, 5, 6 is going to group together to measure another special IQ, and following by another question 7, 8, 9. So sometimes we might have many factors or many questions in the questionnaires. So factor analysis is going to help us to group together the grouping of your variables or questionnaires that is going to measure related, or this group of factors or this group of questionnaire are actually related, correlated with each other in measuring the same thing. Now let's try to run factor analysis. Go to File, Open, and let's get the dataset 6A. Factor analysis dataset. Open, and you will be able to see there are 17 questionnaire questions, and this is the data view. Let's run the factor analysis. Go to Analyze, Factor Analysis, and we're going to select all of this into variables. Go to Extraction, choose Correlation, Square Plots, Unrotated Factor Solution, and the rest will remain the same. Click Continue. Go to Rotation. We're going to use Varimax, Display Rotated Solution, and click Continue. Click OK. Now let's take a look at the results, which we were going to focus on the last table here. In the last table, which is Rotated Component Matrix, we are trying to identify factor loading that is larger than 0.5. Those who are smaller than 0.5, you can remove this from the first category or the first component. So this factor analysis has categorized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group of factors. And the factor loading that is larger than 0.5 will be under this group. So for example, for group 1, the yellow color, so all these question 2, question 13, 14, 15, and 16 actually belongs to the same group, which also means that these questions are correlated with each other. Whereas for component 2, question 9 and 10 are correlated with each other because the factor loading is larger than 0.5. Whereas for group 3, question 4, 5, 6, and also question 17, the rest are not related with them. For component 4, or the fourth category, will be question 3, question 11, and 12, and followed by the last category, which is question 1 and also question 7. So now you can see that if each of these is representing one variable, this means that these 5 variables are related to this category. They are correlated with each other. Whereas the second group of variables that are correlated with each other will be question 9 and 10, followed by group 3, 4 variables, and question 4, 3 variables, and category 5, 2 variables that are correlated with each other. That's all for this video clip. Thank you for your attention.